Fox, welcome to Life Blogs. This video is regarding baby proofing. So if you have a toddler in your house, it is going to be very helpful for you. Otherwise, you can close it here only and save your time, because time is very valuable resource and respect your time. So I would like to explain you about these baby proofing clips which will stop your toddler to open your drawers and cabinets. I ordered it from Amazon and it cost mentioned was 999, but I got it for 285. No shipping charges for Prime members. Basically it has three parts. Part A, which is this clip, which will be helpful for you to open your drawers like this. Like this somewhere. This part will stick on your drawer and you can close it like this. And the B part is this one, which will be a fixed part, which will be pasted on your drawers. And third part is this strip, which will be for the adjustment of the length. So when you would like to paste it, first you need to measure with this strip how long you want to keep it. For example, you have done this much length you want, then you can close it. You can measure it and you can close it. Something like this. And once you pushed it, it will be locked. It will not be opened and it will be fixed. So when you would like to open, just you need to press it and take it out like this. So I got it from the company Baby Cherry, but I got it 5 pieces. But I would suggest you some another company. I will provide you the link in the description, where I got it for $3.99 10 pieces, and from this company it was $2.85 for 5 pieces. But I would suggest you the another company which is providing you the 10 pieces for $3.99. At the same time, I would like to show you these clips as well, which is very helpful if you have a toddler. So you can use these clips into your electric sockets which are in the reach of your toddler. So you will get 24 pieces, which will cost you around $199, and same from Amazon, and free delivery for Prime members. So you will get 24 pieces with different sizes. As you can see, this is for the bigger slot and this one is for the smaller one. So you can use it, and it is really helpful. The quality is not that much good because sometimes it doesn't get fixed properly, but anyhow it is solving our purpose. So for now, this was the only thing. Thank you so much.